Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, yet it is often wasted. Effective time management allows us to make the most of our days and achieve our goals. By planning tasks and setting priorities, we can focus on what truly matters. One way to manage time effectively is by creating a daily schedule. A clear plan helps to reduce stress and ensures that important tasks are completed on time. It also helps us avoid procrastination, which often leads to rushing and mistakes. Time management is not just about work, it also allows us to make time for relaxation, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. When we balance our time well, we can enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life. Developing good time management skills takes practice, but the rewards are worth it. By valuing our time and using it wisely, we can be more productive, organized, and happy. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. Why is time considered valuable? A. It is unlimited. B. It helps us achieve our goals. C. It can be bought. D. It is not important. Answer: B. It helps us achieve our goals. Question 2. How does a daily schedule help? A. It increases stress. B. It ensures tasks are completed on time. C. It wastes time. D. It causes procrastination. Answer: B. It ensures tasks are completed on time. Question 3. What is the downside of procrastination? A. It leads to rushing and mistakes. B. It makes tasks easier. C. It helps reduce stress. D. It improves time management. Answer: A. It leads to rushing and mistakes. Question 4. Why is it important to balance work and personal life? A. To focus only on work. B. To enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life. C. To avoid relaxation. D. To increase stress. Answer: B. To enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life. Question 5. How can good time management improve life? A. By helping us be more productive and happy. B. By creating more problems. C. By wasting valuable time. D. By reducing organization. Answer: A. By helping us be more productive and happy.